crisis like mood swings, stress, anxiety?
Yes.
Are you experiencing identity confusion?
No. I'm 100% sure about my identity.
Okay. How's your performance in school?
I can say na okay naman. Nasa average lang.
In what subjects do you excel?
Um, siguro math. Sabi nila. Pero siguro naman yun.
Okay. How's your relationship with your friends?
Okay naman. I have a good relationship with my friends.
Can you describe her as a friend?
Makulit. Tapos, medyo moody minsan.
Okay. Does the social media influence you? How?
Sometimes, yes. Parang minsan, kunyari, kapag ka nakikita ko na sa social media, okay lang yung ganong gawain. Parang feeling ko sa akin, okay lang din yun. Ganun. Tapos,